Let's begin by creating a basic HTML page. This page will hold the structure of the animation, the CSS, and the CSS will be stored in another CSS file and linked together. Begin by defining the class Accordion. And within this class, we create a list where each part of the list holds the title and the image. And the image is also the link. For this animation, I will use 5 images, so there are 5 li structures. In a new CSS file, before you make the animation, you need to know what size you want your animation to be. So I will take 5 images at 640 pixels wide and a 40 pixels of unhovered image. So by doing these simple calculations, we're able to find out the total container width and the default width. So if we look at the animation, this is the default width and this is the container width. And once you hover over the image, the other images are at unhovered width. So we start off at the basic dimensions. We also add an overflow hidden to prevent it from coming over through the sides. Add some basic styling of shadows and rounded corners, radius, and the margin just to prevent it from coming in contact with other styling. We also add this small fix to make it work on all browsers. Margin and padding is set to 0 in order to keep them together. We then take a look at the animation's li tags and display them in block position at the width of default and float them to the left. We also add some shadows, and then the main feature of the animation is the transition. We take all of one li tag, we set the time it takes, so this can be changed whether you want it faster or slower, and we take the property ease out. This has many different properties. And this is where the unhovered images width is set and the hovered image width. Lastly, end it with a transparent background for the title of the image and add some styling. So this is background set to black and the opacity at half, position absolute, and the width is the width of the animation, and some padding and font size. And this is what you should end up with.